take care of you. I will.
Hey y'all, welcome to the video. So right now we're about to head to the grocery store and get a couple of groceries. I'm blurry. Oh no. Oh no, that's not good.
GLE, cause that Lambo moving fast. S class, G class, lot of class. Man, nah, your bitch in the spot.
Did anybody else Google what Escato was, or is that just like a me thing? Did everybody else already know what that was?
There's nothing I want more in this world than somebody who loves me naked.
I'm trying out a new grocery store that me and my friend found I think like 2 weeks ago. This is like the most awkward angle ever. And then they have this entire bakery over here, which sucks because I'm trying to avoid bread. But I did spend only $63.30, and I honestly got a pretty decent amount of stuff that's probably gonna last me. Look at her trying to be a bad influence. Shaking my head. You already know what I'm finna text back. Just playing. So just made it back home. I'm gonna go ahead and marinate these salmon fillets because I'm probably gonna cook those tonight. Good morning, y'all. Just got back from the track. So normally throughout the day I eat about 5 meals. So I'll do like breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and then dinner. But they're usually like small meals because I am working on like weight loss. It's about 11. Oh, 11:11, make a wish. It's about 11 o'clock now, and I'm about to eat some grapefruit. That is my breakfast for today. So yeah, I'll check back in with you guys when it's time for me to have my first snack. Okay, so it's 2:11. So it's a little bit past my actual like snack time. But today's just been like really hectic, so I'm just trying to get it in where I fit in because I don't like to eat after 6 o'clock. At the most like 6:30. So I try to fit all of my meals within this like time bracket. I'm really thinking about starting intermittent fasting. I tried to do it once before, but it really didn't work out. Right now I'm getting ready to have my first snack of the day. And since I had a light breakfast, I like to make my first snack the bigger snack, and then I'll have my lunch, and then I'll have a lighter snack, and then dinner. So my snack is going to be some vanilla Greek yogurt. I'm going to put some granola on top of that. Super duper duper easy snack to make. I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. Just gonna add a little bit of honey right on the top, just to sweeten it up a little bit. So I'm gonna eat this, and then if I'm still hungry, then I'll probably eat like half of a mango, but I'll probably be full from the yogurt. So it's about 3:24, almost 3:30. Taking a quick little break, and my lunch is gonna be these turkey and cheese and then crackers. I try not to eat a lot of grains, but every once in a while I guess it's okay. This is basically like a homemade Lunchable. The cheapest way to do this is to get like one of those party platters and just separate it into different portions. You actually get a lot of food out of that. So at this point it's about 5:27. just about 5:30, and I'm really hungry for some reason today, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner, and then I'll just save my last snack for like an after dinner snack. So happy to see my food in there. So excited. I'm so hungry. So dinner tonight is some teriyaki salmon that I meal prepped last night. I'll just let it marinate in the teriyaki sauce for about 2 hours or so, and then I went ahead and baked it. Then I also pan-seared some scallops, with garlic and butter, and I have this asparagus over here cut up. So since I'm working on losing weight, I'm cutting carbs a lot, and I'm really going the route of like either double vegetables or double meats so that I'm still full at the end of the night. So my last snack for the night is gonna be these almonds, and it seems like a small amount, but it really does fill you up. I look super duper. Damn, the dryer is loud. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I look super duper rough, but just bear with me. If you guys made it all the way to the end of this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up for more videos like this in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.